Hello everyone, my name is Param Teria and I am pursuing BTech in Information and Communication Technology at Marwadi University, Rajkot. So as a part of subject of artificial intelligence, I have come up with this a new project called ANPR, Automatic Number Plate Recognition System. This project is entirely guided by Professor Nishit Kotak. So let's just understand problem. So we are living in a country where the amount of purchase of vehicle versus the amount of parking slots or resources are very few. As a result, we struggle a lot with this problem. And as a country, we need to come up with solutions which deals with entities rather dealing with resource development or resource management, right? So ANPR is one of them. Automatic number plate recognition system is state of the art image processing techniques which can deal with image processing parts. And basically what it does, it actually reads the license plate of the vehicles and access or pass it through gateway, right? It has a number of applications, right? It can be used in parking slots, housing society, corporate building, commercial building. uh, I have also read that the government of Gujarat has also used this system to maintain the protocol in this pandemic situation. And the main idea is that you don't need a single entity which needs to be installed in every vehicle. This has the biggest advantage that you can use this system with pre-installed equipments, right? We already have equipped many CCTV cameras in the major area of our cities and entire state, and that camera also act as the entire system. We need just few algorithmic part which can make the entire system. So let's understand the problem. So how it works? So basically we need to take a image input needs to be resized in few or another pixel. After taking input, the input must be taken in RGB format, and we need to convert it to grayscale image. Why grayscale? Because there are few information which we don't need in RGB images, right? And the thing is that here we fundamentally need is the edges from the uh, edges of the object from the image. And that does not require RGB properties. So grayscaling is one of the best idea. After grayscaling, we need some of the filter which smoothes our image. You can also think as like many of the images must be noisy as taken an input. So we need some kind of smoothing filter which can denoise our input and pass it through algorithm. So as a result, we are using a bilateral filter, which is a non-linear filter, and which is also a kind of age preserving filter. So age is very important part here. We are also maintaining it, right? After applying bilateral filter, the image will smoothen. Some of the parts will smoothen, and after that, we need to find the edges, right? So we are using Caney edge detection. Also there are few other 2 to 3 edge detection algorithm are there, but Caney edge detection works very well. And I also read and seen many of the production level application also uses Caney edge detection. So after Caney edge detection, you can see the image with edges. So after this process, we are on the very important part of the project where we need to find a counter. Counter is very important part because it actually gets the object out of the entire image. So here also you can see the image with respect to that. After that, we are also we were doing entire part for pre-processing. Now the final part is we need to identify text or the license plate from the image. So here I am using TerraSrect algorithm, PyTerraSrect, which has been developed by Google. So PyTerraSrect algorithm has the entire library has one function image to string, which can detect, which can print the text out of the image. So here also you can see that result also. So fundamentally that what is this is what it about project. And the future scope, here also you can see that this can be also developed in a web application form. The scalable code also can be written very well. Other than that, we need some database to connect this thing with entire data. And we can also add a few of the authentication thing and features which add some new data, and we can retrieve it very easily, right? So this was it. Basically, this was intuition of entire system, and now you can build a real-time system too. Thank you.